Your Consumer Cellular account number is a unique 10 to 12-digit ID used for billing, payments, and customer service. Forget searching through old bills. The easiest way to find it is through the Consumer Cellular mobile app, available on iOS and Android. Once logged in with your username, email, and password, navigate to either the account or billing section. The number is clearly labeled, making it simple to copy and paste for any task. This feature is free and available to all active subscribers. After opening the Consumer Cellular app version 4.2.1 or later, log in using your credentials. The app offers enhanced security with biometric options like Face ID or fingerprint for quick and secure access. Once logged in, navigate through the app menu. Look for sections like My Account, then tap on Account Info or go directly to Billing Details for quick access to your information. In the Account Info or Billing Details section, your unique 10 to 12-digit account number appears prominently. This is your account identifier for billing and service interactions. Remember these key points. Your account number is not your password, IMEI, or SIM number. It's only visible to authenticated users for data protection. If you have trouble finding it, use the in-app chat support for real-time assistance. This streamlined access saves time and reduces the need for phone support.